Betco is pleased to introduce the new Optima XR series of propane burnishers. The Optima XR's extended run capabilities are extremely fuel efficient, reducing propane refills by up to 44 tanks per year versus the leading competitor. They virtually save a truckload of propane and save thousands in labor costs as well. Innovative technology is what makes this machine go further. The Optima XR incorporates an exclusive, high-efficiency fuel delivery system which allows the engine to utilize the fuel more effectively. This leads to one thing: annual fuel cost reductions of over 21%. This can be the difference for a cleaning contractor when it comes to being profitable and winning more bids. With up to an hour longer runtime on each propane tank, the Optima XR achieves completing up to 24,000 square feet more floor per propane tank, increased productivity, less downtime, and easier management of tanks. Savings that keep accumulating every year a contractor owns the machine. And with Betco's legendary heritage in propane burnisher performance, customers sacrifice nothing. In fact, Betco's new Optima XR boasts increased pad speed, which leads to better than ever gloss performance. The Optima XR also runs at extremely low emissions by exceeding all EPA CARB certification requirements. As a high-value machine, the Optima XR also offers many enhancements like a centrifugal clutch, an emissions monitoring system, or dust control on the 27-inch unit. The more a contractor uses the Optima XR machine, the faster it pays back in both propane and labor savings. That's why it comes with the Betco pays-for-itself guarantee. Customers can also rely on Betco's industry-leading 3-year warranty, quick ship production, and national service with over 500 highly experienced service technicians nationwide. Betco's warranty and top-notch service is justified through excellent design and made in the USA craftsmanship. The cast aluminum frame and 603cc Kawasaki engine will deliver many years of worry-free operation. This is not just another propane burnisher. This is the propane burnisher that goes further. Make your move to the Optima XR today.